Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the barking. Anyway, if you guys are new here, please click the subscribe button right there and click the like button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. I post every single day. Okay, so I've been wanting to say this for a while now. I only post every day because of the virus. Now I am making little room. I have little room to make a video, and it's at a specific time every day. So yeah, I try to post every single day, and I am achieving that goal right now. But when we go back to school, if we do, I'm only gonna post on every Saturday. Also, I have so many ideas for art and things. I think this is gonna be an art channel and a cooking channel because cooking is art. Anyway, let's get on to the video. Okay, so we've got some squishies we're gonna paint. We already painted this one right here. We already painted this one. It's still drying. So let's go to our squishy bin and see what we're gonna paint. Actually, I'll be right back because I actually have more squishies downstairs that I would like to paint more. So, be back in a second. I'm back. Okay, so I found one more squishy to paint because I do not like this one very much. So we're gonna paint it. Anyway, let's head over to the squishy store. Okay, so I have some squishies in here that I don't want to paint, or that could use like touch-ups. So I don't want to paint these guys because this needs a touch-up. I mean, look at this. Like, just look at this, people. It's so sad. So we might touch this up with some pink paint, maybe. And all the feet is like, or the feet. Ugh, this camera. It's very like ripped and stuff. So the squishies I actually thought about painting were this one. I thought about painting this one. Maybe this one because there's like pink dots on it. And this one. So, and the squishy pen. So I had like these four. But I'm only going to choose two to paint today. So I'm going to choose this bird. And let's do, I haven't even opened this yet. Let's do the bird and see how long the video is. Okay, so I've got the bird right here. It's kind of slow rising. Actually, not really. It's not. Okay, so this is the squishy that I've been painting before. And, okay. So we gotta get our paint out. I'm gonna switch the camera. You're gonna come here. Switch this around to on this guy. That's better. Okay. Hi guys. Now I can see what I'm doing. So we're gonna be painting this guy. I want the base to be. Let's change him pink. So I'm gonna get the pink ready, and I'll be back. Okay, so I got all my pinks right here. Most of them are out. This is the only one that's still alive, but it's really bad. It's really chunky. Gotta shake it up really well. Okay. So I want this to be like a flamingo pink, so we're probably gonna do these two, mix them together. Oh, yes. It came out. Good. Okay. And then we're going to add this one, or not this one. I don't think there's any left in here. Nope, nothing left. Let's try this one. I hear something. There's like the itty bittiest. Okay, so we have our paintbrush, handy dandy paintbrush. Mix it up. There's a chunk in here. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm using the this Craftsmart acrylic paint. I have so much of it. It's a really good brand. I love this kind of paint. And actually, I feel like people who already do squishies, they use like specific paint. But if I'm doing squishies, I just do any type of paint. And like, look at this. This paint is still on, and I'm not joking. This was like not the actual color. The actual color was like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right there. But this paint sticks really, really well to squishies. I actually haven't tried like very smooth squishies, so we'll see how this goes. But I promise I'm not using other paint, because this is the one I'm actually using, because this is the only paint I have. So, yeah. Ooh, no. That was close. Okay, we gotta dump it. It's just gonna be more like a dark. Come on, pour. It's not coming. Is there? It's coming. Yay. Okay. So I'm going to mix it up. I know this is long. This is going to be a long video, but it takes so long to edit these videos because I have to use like an app, and then I have to add it, and then I have to export it. So it takes a really long time. Okay, here we go. First stroke. Oh yeah, that's a lot better color. Ooh, I'm not sure if this paint is going to stick very well. This squishy is one of the, just covered up the logo. I forgot what it's called. So, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm limiting myself at 10 minutes. So, we're good for now, but I'm going to stop filming and wait for this to dry. I think I'm only going to do one squishy today. So, oh yeah, I forgot. I was like literally coming up the stairs thinking I gotta end. So I will give shout outs to any of you guys who comment on it and ask for a shout out. But the first person to comment and the first subscriber on my channel, Stella Holland. She goes to my school and she's my bestest friend, or she's my best friend from school. So shout out to you, Stella. I hope you're watching this video. Love you. This paint, I'm gonna have to do a few layers, and I have a lot of it. So okay, I'll wait. Should we paint something else? No. I'll come back when it's dry. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh wow, this is here. Okay. Anyway, it is currently the next day, and I let the paint dry, and it turned out beautifully. I mean, like, look at this shine. There's still a little blue that you can see, and then that. So, yeah, one layer of paint actually did pretty good. No, guys, I'm totally kidding. It is currently the next day. It's next day. It's been 24 hours. Okay, I have a story. I am really stupid. So I went to paint the first coat on, and I let it dry for like 7 freaking hours. And then that night, anyway, that night I come to see that the paint has dried completely. So then that night I got more paint out and I painted it, and then I realized it only takes 3 minutes to dry. So anyway, today off camera I painted, oh my gosh, there's so much hair in this. It needs to come off. Anyway, I painted it bright pink, which this color does not match this color. So this video is going to be really long. Anyway, we're going to try this pink this time. I mean, I think that's the pink I used, but I also think I mixed it with red. So, we're going to paint this, and I might die. So, we're going to do this. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the disgusting paint. The chalky, disgusting paint. So we're gonna go over this again. That's not the same color. Darn it. Okay. This the same color. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. I really don't want to, this video is going to be like 10 minutes long. Hope you're okay with that. You can skip, 3 minutes. No skipping. Skip, a couple minutes. Only because I'm nice. And see how, I get this. I'm going to wash this. My beautiful pink water. I put nail polish in it so it's pink. I tried hydro dipping with nail polish. It worked, and I was 5 years old, so I don't know why it didn't work today. Oh, shoot. My mom really doesn't want me painting in this clothes. But anyway, okay, we're going to dip into this one. Painting on wet paint. I don't know how this is going to go. That's the color. Later, when quarantine's over, I will take you guys on a shopping spree where I buy new paints. Every single color in the entire store. And my mom will be buying it. Fun, isn't it, for me? I honestly think I paint so much. I think the day I'm gonna buy it, I'm like, Mom, I ran out. This is already 4 freaking minutes. Jeez. Okay, well, I'm almost finished painting it, the coat, and then we have to go over it 17 more times, so. Please like this video, and subscribe, and comment down below, and turn on your notification bell, and do all those things, and you will get a shout out. Please do all of those things because this video took a whole freaking lots of time. Because I have to edit it together. I have to take different shots of me painting, then drying. And it takes forever. Just saying. Bye. Oops, wrong side. Hey guys, this video is getting way too long, so I had to cut it. So stay tuned for part 2.